Hi everyone. Uh, Today we'll be discussing one of the new feature which is launched by Microsoft with along with .NET 5.0. That is the and which comes in which is rolled out in the new CSharp 9.0. That is init only setups. As you see, I have written a small program which consists of a class, person class, and a property as name, and and I have instantiated the class here, and I can just say person dot name is equals to the name. I will write it as the name, and console dot write line will print that name, person name, person dot name, and now I will just save, and I will say Control F5. It will build on the program. You can see the name is printed here as you know. So normally we can just print out our name here, and if I set the set property as private, you can see like here it will show the message that is it will error out showing the property indexes cannot be used because the set access is inaccessible. So in order to set the property, again we need to declare means we need to set using a constructor. You can declare a constructor, and between you can just pass a variable to the constructor, and again you can see we need to we can just pass our name here, and now say Control F I will say, and then I will run the program. See, now the name is printed again. So likely like we are just setting the value on object creation using a constructor, and when we try to set the value after the object creation, it is not accepting. But again we can do in another way. We can just write one method here, and just pass one variable parameter, yeah, and next the same thing as constructor which we run. We can, if we try to override this one using a method, it is possible. Like set name here I have written, and if I say the 3, and now if I just say Control F I, it will print as weather 3, and it will override the earlier setted name when we're creating the object, and it will take the weather 3 as the name. See, this is the name. So just so what we'll do, so as as in some cases, if you want to make the properties as immutable properties, like once we set, it should not again it should not again set any other values into it. So the new feature which was introduced by Microsoft is init here. Okay, and now And now in the normal constructor will work as well as um, like if you see in another way, if you want to uh, set the value in the object instantiation, it is possible. Where earlier it wasn't possible to set the values. So again, if you see after object instantiation, if I try to set the value, it won't take. It will say init only properties or indexes can only be assigned in an object initializer or on this or base in an instant constructor or an init access. So we are accepting the as a constructor it is done, and through object instantiation we are able to create the we are able to set the values, and after that where it is not accepting. And if I also try to do it using a method, here it will not accept, it will automatically um, through the compile time error showing this one, the same error as above. So this is not applicable here. Okay, so actually this is mainly useful to set the values of any property at the object instantiation only, like while creating the object only it is useful. And string. Okay. Mm, let's build it. Yeah, we have declared constructor, so we can remove this one. Otherwise, we can just say sit off. This works here. So you can see we can make the properties as immutable, and we can use it. And there will be another question you may it may rise, like suppose if I set and if I create one, if I declare a variable here as read only underscore name, okay, and if I only try to set the name as get property, so again it will no, it mean if the object insertion is not possible, and here normally we can do it for constructor and everything, it is possible, but object instantiation is not possible here. So again what we need to do is we have to do the init here. Let's suppose the constructor init here underscore name, and again init, so it is a init, and as I say underscore name is equal to value, it will consider in object initializer, it will take it and it will consider, and again it will print. So this feature is mainly useful well, suppose in real time scenarios, like when we are passing the data from one layer to another layer, and it should not get overridden by any other methods or anywhere. So this feature will be useful. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll meet at another video. Thank you.